the higher boiling point. Okokuqala, you have to check the intermolecular forces. If intermolecular forces kuzo zoyi-2 ziyafana, then sitsho sijonge i-molar mass, but siqala nge-intermolecular forces. For example, let's look at this compound. This compound, i-Lewis diagram yayo singayizoba kanje. Lewis diagram. Okay, then this compound, Lewis diagram yayo singayizoba kanje. Okay, so funeka sijonge i-intermolecular forces, but before sisijonge funeka sijonge i-polarity ke ngoku ye-molecule. So this molecule, polar, this molecule is polar. This is a polar molecule because i-electronegativity ka-oxygen inkulu kuneka hydrogen, meaning that elicala is partial positive, elicala is partial negative. It has 2 poles. So this is a polar molecule. Meaning that intermolecular forces phaa dipole, dipole. So ngenxa yoba ke ngoku kukho u-hydrogen obonde no-oxygen, sitsho sithi ke ngoku it's hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. So in a special dipole esiyibiza ngoba hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding ke hydrogen ubonde no-oxygen, okanye hydrogen ubonde no-fluorine, okanye hydrogen ubonde no-nitrogen. So sizifumane ke ngoku-intermolecular forces zika-water. HCl. HCl, this the chlorine has higher electronegativity, which means elicala li-partially negative, elicala li-partially positive, which means this one is a polar molecule also, polar molecule. This is a polar molecule, meaning that in a dipole forces. But ayinaso special dipole esisibiza ngoba ngu-hydrogen bond, because u-hydrogen akabondanga ku-oxygen, ku-nitrogen or ku-fluorine. Okay, so ithethe ukuthi ke ngoku apha i-water ine-hydrogen bond,